Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be building a PVC firecracker with this type of PVC pipe. It's a type of 1.5 inches. Gonna use this can. First, we're just gonna make the ignition. Gonna take the part of this lighter. Open like this.
Stop.
Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna make a PVC pipe firecracker. We're gonna make it from a lighter, an electric lighter. This is quite hard. We need to crack it like that. Now we're gonna get the electric part. Got it. This is the electric part. We just get this and put it into a bottle cap. You need to make a hole in it, so the ignition there will go in. And when it's here, I'm just gonna use a hot glue stick to glue it. I'm gonna go here and give it to a candle.
What's that?
This is
Hot glue stick.
yes,
Very tiny.
because it's all we have.
You need to buy a new one.
For now, this will do. If it's just a temporary, I will make it stronger soon. This is just to make it strong. Just gonna make the glue better. Replace the glue. It's so tiny. There. Okay, that's done. We're just gonna do this. When it's cool, I will show you the function of this. In the moment, we're just gonna make the strainer to make a sound of a firecracker. We're just gonna move down to the floor, like over here. Gonna start back here. So we're just gonna do it like this. We're gonna make some holes to strain it. If you're doing it with a sharp nail, it's gonna be very easy like me, but maybe you don't have a sharp one, it's gonna be hard. But before you want to make this, you need to look where do you live is, if it's legal or not, because this will make a big sound. Okay, it's done. Now we're gonna go back up. Now make the part where it's maybe it's not sharp enough. So I'm just
You need a scissor.
yes, pause it real quick. Okay, I've already got a cutter. Now I'm just gonna make a starting point here and I'm gonna cut it along. We're gonna do this soon. We're gonna heat the pipe up and put the strainer inside like this. The one that has a big hole will go in, and the one that does not have a big hole will be the one at the back. When you put it in, we're just gonna add the cap here and adding the lighter here. So I'm just gonna pause it real quick. Pause it.
Yeah.
Okay, today we'll be using a stove to warm up the pipe. I don't know how much you need to warm it up, so I don't know how much. We're just gonna guess. In one of these cans, we're gonna make 2 string inners. One will not be perfect, but maybe a bit more perfect. You can make a lot of holes, but on the next one, you're gonna fill holes. Yes, I think that's enough. We're gonna make only 4 holes. is not a hard process. It's okay, so maybe I'm gonna speed up my series. This process I think maybe I will using a stove to warm this up. Then we're gonna put in the strainer. I think that's warm enough. Oh, it's bending.
Let me help you.
Let me just video it.
Which one? Ininya. This one.
No.
This one.
Yes, like that.
Oh.
Think that is bending. You need to spin it while you push it in.
Maybe we need to.
Let's see. Oh, that is still bending.
Let me see that. Stop. Okay.
It's a little bit of a fail because its size does not fit with the can, but we're just gonna fix it a little bit. So we're just gonna cut some plastic. But we do get some inside like this one. So it'll be pretty good. I forgot to remove this. I'm just gonna remove the wrapper. Now we just need to seal this. We're not gonna use like
Wait.
we're gonna make it stronger. This.
So you seal it with plastic.
Yes. Just gonna spin it. We're gonna use a cloth to make it tighter. We're just gonna melt it first. Okay, when it's like this, we get a cloth and we tighten it like this. We press it. The next step, remember this bottle, we're gonna cover it at the top. This is quite hard because the pipe is so big, but you can still do it. Okay, it's been in like this. Now we cut it again over here. And we cut it here. Now we use this to connect these two together. There's a little bit of a nudge here, so it's gonna give it more fire. Yep. Give this.
Okay. So actually you're sealing the pipe with plastic.
We are sealing the pipe with some more plastic.
Okay.
It's gonna do this. And down here,
Make sure it's fully sealed.
yes.
Airtight.
Now I'm just gonna show you the igniter. There's gonna be a little bit of like electricity arcing there.
Scissor you can use.
It's gonna cut it like this and seal the part where it connects together. Yep, just here. Oh, it's short. Need some more tape. A little bit more. Like this. I'm gonna add some more along here. Our tape is running out, so maybe this is the last row. Yep, it ran out. And still play with tape, but you can add tape if you want. You can still use without any tape, but I'm just adding tape. Okay, now we're gonna put some here. Now it's finished.
So, what do you call this?
This is a PVC firecracker.
In Indonesia, you call this,
Badilan or
Badilan.
mercon spiritus.
and
We're
then
gonna load some spiritus inside. If you don't know what spiritus is, it's a type of blue fuel.
fuel.
In the next video, we're gonna test it. We are finished building it. Now we're gonna be testing it with some blue spiritus. We're gonna warm it up with 2 sprays. 1, 2. I've already tested it one time. It's good, but let's see it this time. 3, 2, 1.
Wow.
It's louder than my other one. Now let's test. Is there any smoke? There's smoke.
Yes.
Whatever. We're gonna do 3 sprays. 1, 2, 3. As soon as you shoot it, there's gonna be some smoke, but that's okay. 1, 2, 3.
It's a big one.
Is there any smoke this time?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2 sprays. 1, 2, 3. Never mind, we're just gonna do 3 sprays. 1, 2, 3.
That's loud.
So it's a success. We're just gonna do a last one with 4 sprays. Is there any smoke? No. 1, 2, 3.
That's
4.
spiritus.
Yeah, it's a type of fuel. It's very flammable.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Wow, that's a big one. Bigger
We're
than
gonna do
before.
one more time. We're gonna do an experiment.
Okay.
We're gonna fill it up with a little bit of gas. This is the first time doing on this one, so I'm just gonna do 2 sprays.
Make it 3.
No, to be safe. We're just testing it, so we need to be safe first. 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Do it one more time. But with 3 sprays.
4 spray, please.
After this.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. You need to shake it first.
You need to be careful if you play this is in your place, because you need to look on Google first. Is it legal or not? 3, 2, 1. We've successfully built a PVC pipe firecracker. Now I'm gonna make another video soon. You should probably watch it. For now, I'm just gonna close it on this video. Okay, go subscribe and see you later. Bye.
Thank you.